Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can reopen photos that can only be viewed once when someone sends you a photo in Instagram. For example, like this, when you view this photo, you can see it anymore when you go back. Let's go back, and now it's grayed out like this one. You can only react to it, right? Or reply, or you can even report it if you want, but you can't open it anymore. So what can we do about that? I'll share a tip to you. All we have to do is go here and turn on airplane mode, and then view the photo. And when it says like this, sorry, this photo cannot be loaded, then you shouldn't have turned on airplane mode just yet. There, that was a mistake. You have to refresh here first. Let's refresh. Let's refresh here. Wait for it. And there, it's done refreshing. So let's go back here and turn on airplane mode. And now let's view the photo. Here, it is now loaded, and as you can see it. But when you go back, it's all gone. But don't worry, we can prevent that because we are not connected to the internet, which means we are not connected to the servers of Instagram. So what we gotta do is uninstall Instagram, and then turn our internet connection again, turn our Wi-Fi on, and then go to Play Store. Let's go Instagram and install it again. And basically we have to log in again. I think this also works for iOS device. And here we are, we're back. And as you can see, it's still like this. It's like nothing happened. It's like we didn't view this photo at all. So we can actually view it once more. So let's view it. And see, we can still view it. But when we go back, it's now grayed out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.